Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix if you're getting the error which says you have lost your connection to EA servers in Madden 26. Don't worry, I got you covered. So first thing you can do is to just check EA server status. You need to go to the official site and check if the servers are down or not. If they are, nothing will work until EA restores them. Then the next thing you can try is to just restart your game console or PC, and along with that you need to restart your router too, because if you do this will refresh your network and clears temporary connection glitches. If your problem persists, then the next thing you can try is to use a stable internet connection. Prefer wired ethernet if possible. If not, then ensure strong signal and stop background downloads or streams. Then the fourth thing you can try is to just disable any VPN if you're using a proxy. This commonly blocks EA authentication, so turn them off and retry. If that doesn't help, then you need to set your device to automatic date, time and time zone, cause incorrect time can break EA login. Next thing you need to do is to clear the cache. So on console, power off fully, unplug for 1 minute. In PC, you need to go to EA app, go to settings, recovery and clear cache. Once you clear the cache, then you can go for repair/verify game files. Once you repair, restart the game and see if the problem solved or not. If not, you can test another network, like you can try a mobile hotspot. If it works, then your home Wi-Fi has a routing issue and needs a router restart or ISP support. If nothing works for you, then the last result you have is to just reinstall the game, and that should fix your problem. So yeah guys, these were some solutions which you can try to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.